this is modeling 3x plus 5 equals 11. So on this side, I want to cancel out the 5. But whatever I do to this side, I have to do to the other. So I'm going to put a red one on top of 5 of them so that I know what's left. So anything that's red at this point is canceled. So I'm going to take this, let me get rid of it, this top row, get rid of it. So now I have 3 is equal to, or 3x is equal to 6. So I can take and divide up and start handing out my pieces. So 1x should be equal to 2.